Want to create stunning AI-generated images without using complicated design software? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create images with ChatGPT, write better image prompts, edit existing images, and generate high-quality visuals for work, social media, or personal projects. So let's get started. First, open the ChatGPT website or mobile app and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main screen, start a new chat where you'll enter your image request. Now write a detailed description of the image you'd like to create. Include the subject, background, lighting, colors, camera angle if needed, and the overall style. The more specific your prompt is, the closer the final image will match your vision. You can ask ChatGPT to create images in many different styles. For example, request a realistic photo, a watercolor painting, an anime illustration, a three-dimensional render, pixel art, a cartoon, or a cinematic scene. Choosing the right style helps create the look you're aiming for. Once your prompt is ready, send it to ChatGPT and wait while the image is generated. If the first result isn't exactly what you imagined, don't worry. You can easily ask for changes or generate another version. If you'd like to improve the result, simply describe what you want to change. You can ask for different colors, backgrounds, poses, facial expressions, lighting, or additional objects. You can also upload an existing image and request edits, enhancements, or stylistic changes. ChatGPT can help you create images for many purposes, including YouTube thumbnails, blog illustrations, social media posts, presentations, marketing materials, concept art, and product mockups. Adjust your prompts based on where the image will be used. Before publishing or sharing your image, review it carefully. Make sure the details look correct. The text is accurate if your image contains any, and the overall design matches your project. If necessary, continue refining the prompt until you're satisfied with the final result. And that's how to create images with ChatGPT. With clear prompts and a few refinements, you can generate professional-looking visuals for almost any project in just minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI guides, and thanks for watching.